Yes, class. Today we will start chapter number 4, numerical portion. Chapter number 4, first numerical of this chapter, and it's a drawback for English medium student that this chapter in total Hindi, all numericals in Hindi only. There is no alternate version in English. Okay, all numericals typed in Hindi system. So I will convert it into English. Okay, you just open numerical number 1, chapter number 4. Okay, so this chapter is basically based on three accounts. First is realization, second is partner's capital account, third is cash or bank account. And in these three accounts, realization account is the most important account, because if realization account is right, then the another account, partner's capital account and cash account, will be also right. Okay, a minor mistake of realization account can make wrong your whole numericals. Okay, so you just focus on realization system, entities of realization, accounting system of realization. Okay, now in first question we will solve first journal entries. We will do journal entry first. After that we will post all these entries in laser format. We will start from journal, because journal is a must. Without journal you can't prepare a laser posting. Okay, so start numerical number first. Ramesh, Naresh and Mahesh are partners. They divide profit into 3:2:1. On 31st December 2014, they decide to dissolve their partnership firm, and the balance sheet is as follow. Okay, balance sheet in liability side: creditors 20,500, assets cash in hand 6,000. Now next page. Wait. Yes. Mrs. Ramesh loan in liability side rupees 8,000, JLP fund 20,000, capital of Ramesh and Naresh 50,000 and 10,000, debtors 9,000, JLP in asset side. JLP 40,000, investment 20,000, stock 8,000, machinery 40,000, Mahesh capital account 11,500. You just notice that in first time ever, second chapter, third chapter, first time you will see that capital account balance is in asset side. Capital account balance is in asset side. Generally we will say that opening balance of capital account CR, because capital is a liability. Opening balance of capital account is CR because capital is a liability. But this time the capital balance show in asset side. Yes, it can be the capital account balance 99% liability side, but it 1% it can be assets. Okay, so in this numerical, capital balance is in both side. Two partner Ramesh and Naresh balance is credit balance, transfer to liability side, and Mahesh capital balance is debit balance, then transfer to asset side. So it can be their partner's capital account balance transferred to asset side with DR balance. Okay, now other information. First of all, first point, JLP surrendered for rupees 15,000. Naresh took investment at rupees 17,500, and he agreed to pay his wife loan. Okay, next Naresh purchased stock in 7,500, and debtor of rupees 5,000 he takes in rupees 4,000. Next, machine sold in rupees 50,000, cash realized from balance debtor 50% only, realization expense of firm 1,000 rupees. In non-record investment, unrecord investment sold for rupees 3,000, and you have to prepare partner's capital account, realization account, cash account, and journal entries also. Complete package of fourth chapter. Whole accounting system is asking, starting to end, starting from journal entry, then realization account, after that partner's capital account, and finally cash account. Okay, so we will start from journal entries. Yes, In journal entry, first of all, we will transfer all assets to our realization account. In last class, we seen that realization account, in realization account, we will transfer all assets in debit side of realization account. So first entry is all assets excluding cash and partners capital account balance, because cash account balance will be transferred in cash account and partners capital account balance will be transferred in partners capital account. So excluding cash and partners capital account, all assets will be transferred to realization account. So journal entry is realization account DR, assets transfer to debit side of realization. So realization account DR, to debtor, to JLP, to investment, to stock, to machine, add their book value, the book value given in balance sheet. Okay, 9,000, 9,000, 40,000, 20,000, 8,000, 4,000, and total is 91,000. The all assets transferred to realization account in debit side. Okay, now next, liability side, all liability transferred to realization account excluding capital account balance. Capital account balance transferred to capital in capital account. Okay, so creditors account DR, Mrs. Ramesh loan account DR, JLP fund account DR, to realization. Assets transfer to DR side and liability transfer to CR side. Okay, in realization account. Next, after transfer all assets and liability into realization account, we will see that selling price of assets and payment of liability. How to make sales of assets, how to make payment of liability. So in other information, point number 1, JLP, joint life policy, surrendered at rupees 15,000. JLP surrendered at rupees 15,000. So JLP present in balance sheet rupees 14,000 as per journal entries. JLP present in balance sheet at rupees 14,000 but surrendered in rupees 15,000. So there is no need to calculate profit or loss on sale of assets. Okay, there is no need to calculate any profit or loss on sale of assets. There is no profit. You can't say that a JLP value is 14,000, JLP surrendered in 50,000, so there is a profit of 1,000. No, there is no need to calculate any profit or loss at the time of devaluation, because at the time of dissolution of a partnership firm, the main matter is realization of cash. It doesn't matter that assets sale on profit or loss. It's matter of only cash. We want to realize maximum cash from market. Doesn't matter it is on profit or on loss. Okay, so in first point, JLP cash at rupees 15,000. So if JLP cash, then cash account DR and the cash transferred to realization account, because JLP is also in realization account. If assets is in realization account, then selling price will be also transferred in realization account, cash account DR, to realization amount to be 50,000. Now next, Ramesh purchased investment in 17,500. Yes, investment rupees 20,000, sale to Ramesh in 17,500. If a partner purchase assets from firm, then the selling price will be debited to partner's capital account. If a partner purchase any assets of firm, then selling price will be debited to partner capital account and the amount will be deducted from his capital account. कैश में नहीं होगा, पार्टनर के साथ जो ट्रांजैक्शन है वो क्रेडिट में चलेगा, and the amount will be deducted from your capital account. And journal entry is Ramesh capital account DR to realization, selling price credited in realization account. So Ramesh capital account DR to realization amount rupees 17,500. Next, Ramesh also paid his wife loan. Ramesh wife loan is 8,000. Yes, so he will pay on behalf of firm. Okay, then payment debited to realization account, amount received credit to realization and amount paid debit to realization account. Journal entry is realization account DR to Ramesh capital account, because Ramesh pay loan on behalf of firm, then the payment is credited to his account amount rupees 8,000. So realization account DR to Ramesh capital account 8,000 rupees. Okay. Now next entry. Yes. Next, Naresh purchased some assets of firm also. Naresh purchased 7,500 rupees stock and 4,000 debtor. 7,500 plus 4,000 is 11,500. So assets purchased by Naresh. The Naresh capital account DR to realization account amount 11,500. Next, machine sold for rupees 50,000. Then general entry is cash account DR to realization, not to machine, to realization, because machine is already transferred in realization account, so selling price is also transferred to realization. Cash account DR to realization account amount rupees 50,000. Next, the balance debtor realized at 50,000. Balance debtor, total debtors in balance sheet amount rupees 9,000. You just see in your balance sheet the total debtors in balance sheet in 9,000, and Naresh purchased debtor of 5,000 in for 4,000. Debtor of 5,000 for 4,000 rupees. So total debtor of firm reduced by 5,000. 9 minus 5 4. 4,000 realized at 50%, that is 2,000 realized from debtors cash account DR to realization account amount received from debtor amount rupees 2,000. Okay. Next, realization expense paid by firm amount rupees 1,000. Expense paid, then transfer to realization account DR side. Realization account DR to cash amount rupees 1,000 paid for expense. Okay. Now next, a unrecorded investment sale for rupees 3,000. Any unrecorded assets is sale at the time of realization account, then the total amount of these type of assets credited in realization account, then journal entry pass cash account DR to realization account amount rupees 3,000. Okay. Cash account DR to realization amount rupees 3,000. Next is, yes, all adjustment has been made, but you notice that one point, there is a no method is given, there is no information is given about payment of creditors. Yes, there is no adjustment about creditor payment, how to be made payment of creditors. If in lack of information, if there is no information regarding payment of creditor, then we will pay them on book value. If there is no information about payment of creditor at the time of realization, then we will pay them full value. Full value mean full book value. So in our balance sheet, the amount of creditor is rupees 20,500, and we will pay them complete balance 20,500. So in lack of information, we will pay full amount to them. Okay. Then entry is realization account DR to cash amount rupees 20,500. So these are our journal entries. Okay. Now next, after journal entry, first of all we will prepare realization account. Yes, this is your realization account. Realization account, same concept, DR, CR. So if you know how to make journal entry, you know about journal entry very well, you have a good hold on journal entry, then you make realization account easily. So this is our first numerical, I will explain it. First of all, the first entry is all assets transferred to debit side of realization account. As per entry, first entry was all assets transferred to debit side realization account, and entry is realization account DR to debtor, to JLP, to investment, to machine, and to stock. Okay. Amount book value 9,000, 14,000, 20,000, 4,000, and 8,000. Now next, all liability transfer to credit side of realization. So by creditors, by Mrs. Ramesh loan, by JLP fund at book value 20,500, 8,000, and 20,000. Now next, These are our first two entry. First, all assets transfer to DR side and all liability transfer to CR side of realization account. Now selling price of assets. Selling price of assets credited. Selling price of assets credit to realization account. Okay. So assets sold just like JLP cash in 15,000. So cash account DR to realization by cash. Assets sold to Ramesh, then Ramesh capital account DR to realization by Ramesh at rupees 17,500. Some assets sold to Naresh, then Naresh capital account DR to realization by Naresh 11,500. And machines sale in 50,000, so cash account DR to realization. Realization cash from debtors, cash account DR to realization. And cash received from unrecorded assets, then cash account DR to realization. So selling assets transfer to DR side and selling price transfer to CR side. Total assets transfer to debit side and selling price of assets is credited to realization account by cash or by partners capital account. Okay. Now next, for liability, there is three liability: creditors, Mrs. Ramesh loan and JLP fund. Fund is not to be paid. Okay, fund are a balancing figure of a particular amount which is saved. Creditors, yes, we pay creditor at book value to cash, realization account DR to cash. Mrs. Ramesh loan paid by Ramesh, so realization account DR to Ramesh, and realization expense paid by firm self, realization account DR to cash, amount rupees 1,000. So all liabilities transfer to CR side and payment transfer to DR side by to cash and to partners capital account. Now next, we will calculate balancing figure of realization account, that is profit or loss. If credit side is higher than profit and debit side is higher is loss. So there is a credit side is higher. Credit side addition is 1,47,500 and balance is 27,000. 27,000 total of CR side minus total of DR side. Then profit is 27,000 and these 27,000 transfer to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1. So 27 into 3 upon 6, 27 into 2 upon 6, 27 into 1 upon 6, 13,500, 9,000 and 4,500 transfer to their capital account credit side. Okay, this is our realization account. All assets transfer to realization account, all liability transfer to realization account, selling price transfer to CR side and payment transfer to DR side of realization account, and balance of realization account transfer to partners capital account as a profit or loss. Now next, partners capital account. Partners capital account is so easy in chapter number 4. Okay, first of all, opening balance. Yes, there's two type of opening balance: buy balance BD, credit balance. Buy balance BD of Naresh and Ramesh as per balance sheet 15,000 and 10,000, and Mahesh capital balance is DR balance. So two balance BD amount rupees 11,500. In this numerical, buy balance BD in both side, in credit side and in debit side also from our balance sheet. Our next work is P&L, profit of realization transfer to partners capital account, profit transfer to CR side. So by realization 13,500, 9,000 and 14,500. Okay, now your next work. Next work is you will check your realization account, that there is in realization account partners capital account is credit or it's debit. Okay, partners capital account is credit or debit after profit. If partner capital account is credit in realization account, then it's debited to his own account. Okay, journal entries: Ramesh account DR to realization, Naresh account DR to realization. So partner credited in realization account and debited in his own account with 17,500 and 11,500. Same system for debit side. If partner debit in realization account, then credited his own account, is in own account. Okay, by realization amount rupees 8,000 in Ramesh column. It's a simple method for presentation. Okay, Debit side transfer to credit and credit transfer to debit with the name of realization account because transactions are transfer from realization account. Now we will calculate balancing figure. Generally we transfer balance in balance CD. Generally we transfer capital account balance in balance CD, but at the time of dissolution we know that all accounts are permanently closed, so balance of capital account is transferred to cash. Okay, by cash or to cash. To cash mean final payment, and by cash mean amount charged from partner of deficiency of his capital account. So at the time of dissolution, partner's capital account balance is transferred to cash account. Okay, first of all, R, R mean Ramesh. Total of credit side of Ramesh is 17,100, and in debit side there is only single amount 17,500. So 71,500 minus 17,500 balance is 2 cash amount to be 54,000. Finally pay 54,000 to him and his account is permanently closed. In case of N, total of credit side is 19,000. In debit side only a single amount 11,500. Then difference 7,500 paid to him and account permanently closed. In case of Mahesh, then there is debit side is higher, 11,500 minus 4,500, and finally amount received from him 7,000. So Mahesh will pay 7,000 to firm because his debit balance is higher, and Ramesh and Naresh will charge from firm amount 54,000 and 7,500, and the capital account has been closed permanently. Okay, now next, finally cash account. For cash account, you will focus on cash transaction of your numerical. First of all, by opening balance of cash account, we know the cash is the assets and opening balance of assets is always debit and transfer from balance sheet. So first of all, to balance BD, transfer from balance sheet amount rupees 6,000. Okay, now next, the shortcut method to prepare cash account. You will check your realization account and your partner's capital account. If there any amount in buy cash, then all buy cash transfer to DR side of cash account. All buy cash transfer to DR side of cash account. Buy cash mean received of cash. Buy cash mean receipt of cash, and cash receipt transfer to DR side of cash account. So buy cash is 50,000, 2,000, 3,000. So to realization 55,000. Okay, to realization 15,000 of JLP, and to Mahesh capital account 7,000 received from Mahesh. Okay, then all by cash amount transfer to DR side of cash account because it did not receipt of cash. Okay, now next, to cash, okay, all to cash denote payment and payment transfer to CR side of cash account. So to cash 20,500 plus 1,000 21,000, 21,500, and to Ramesh and to Naresh amount 54,000 and 7,500, and both sides are equal with rupees 89,000 and 89,000. If cash account equal with both sides, then it's denote that our numerical is 100% right. If cash account both sides are equal without any balancing figure, then our numerical is 100% right. So it's a shortcut method for preparation of cash account, because at the end of numerical, if we are preparing cash account by journal entries, cash account DR to realization account DR to cash, then it's time consuming matter. Okay, so we will make cash account by a shortcut method. First of all, opening balance with to balance BD, and we will check the all by cash transaction in both account, cash account realization account and capital account transfer to DR side, and all to cash amount in both account transfer to DR side. So by cash received, to cash payment, and both sides are equally finally equal with rupees 89,000 and 89,000. So you do this numerical in your fair notebook, and second number numerical you will also do. I will done numerical number third tomorrow. Okay, second number work is your homework and you will do it.